Hello guys, welcome back again your on YouTube channel X Gears. If you visit first time on this channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and tell us in comment on which topic you want next video. Then today we will tell you about the Kannada film KGF Chapter 2. What is KGF Chapter 2 all about? The story of KGF Chapter 2 begins where the story of KGF 1 ended. The makers have created a buzz around the one promise that Rocky made his dying mother. He will not die in poverty. As the teaser also suggested, that promise will be kept in the second part of the film. Further, KGF 2 shows Yash character Rocky all grown up and mature enough to understand the cruel politics and the changing equations between gangsters and politicians to rule the gold business. The film will also show Rocky choosing between his lady love Reena and his goal of teaching a lesson to his enemies. Sanjay Dutt plays the role of Adhira, brother of Surya Vardhan, who is now set to fight Rocky to rule the Kolar gold mines, means KGF. Now the question is, why does people are so excited to watch the KGF Chapter 2? First you watch the KGF Chapter 2 teaser, then you will understand why does people are so excited. Okay, now I am going to tell you about what are the main reasons which makes the people so excited. Number 1. Adhira. Apart from the fact that it is Sanjay Dutt playing Adhira, the story of how he comes back from the dead and conspires against Garuda to kill him is going to be an interesting story. Number 2. Rocky. Chapter 1 ended in such a chaotic yet beautiful way. Anything might happen to the Rocky next. I want to see the face of between him and Adhira and how he dies. I am also quite curious to see how the crimes he has committed so far are justified in the end. I don't see Rocky or Adhira going down that easy. It is going to be a treat, I am sure. Also, I really want to see the Veera Galu that they set out to excavate in the beginning of the chapter 1. Number 3. Political drama. I want to see what part of the DICE DYSS party and Ramika Sen have to play in Rocky's rise and fall. Number 4. We did not get to see much of the romance between Reena and Rocky in chapter 1. Maybe we can see some of it in chapter 2. Now the question is, will Rocky marry his heart Reena? And the answer is no. Rocky will die in the end of the movie, as Rocky had promised his mother that he will die as one of the most powerful and rich person. That's why Rocky will give up Reena for the power of KGF. So guys, this is all my assumption of how KGF chapter 2 will look after watching KGF chapter 1. And one thing more, the budget of KGF chapter 2 is approx 100 crore, which is higher than KGF chapter 1. If you like our video, then subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And please comment us on which topic you want next video. Remember, we are here for you only. That's why we work hard and trying to make videos on your suggested topics. Thank you.